Good morning, dears. Today we are going to deal with the management of acute pancreatitis with homeopathic medicines. Being an acute infection and inflammation, and with the intensity of acute symptoms, the symptoms may be in mental level, that means in psychic level, or in physical level, or the symptoms can be in local or constitutional level also. So due to acute pancreatitis, if our patient is having high level of fear or fear of death or restlessness, in such condition, aconitum plays great important role to alleviate the mental symptoms. Next, about the acute medicines like belladonna and colocynth and Makphos. In first degree of any infection or inflammation, due to that, if our patient is having a sense of congestion, heavy pain, or a spasmodic condition of abdomen, in such condition, belladonna and colocynth, Makphos plays first prescription in acute pancreatitis. Along with such symptoms, if our patient is having a very burning or very distress situation, Iris versicolor will overcome all the medicines. Then, if our patient's symptom is more with GIT symptoms like diarrhea or vomiting, with or without fear, or with burning, or a great thirst for cold water, in such condition, arsenic plays great important role. Next, about the Coniamac. If our patient is having symptoms with sudden vomiting and diarrhea, Conium plays great important role. And next, with the phosphorus. Even being a constitutional medicine, if our patient is having symptoms of very oily, fatty, offensive, foul-smelling stools, in such condition, phosphorus plays great important role. Next, about the Lycopodium. The sphere of affinity of Lycopodium is mainly with liver, gallbladder and pancreas or hepatobiliary system. Along with pancreatitis, if our patient is having any symptoms of liver issues like jaundice or anorexia or vomiting, nausea, in such condition, Lycopodium plays great important role. So, Lycopodium, phosphorus, along with bell, colocynth, Makphos, then with I think Leptandra, also a very good medicine. So, depending on the symptom of our patient, depending on the acuteness of the symptom. Depending on the other data, we can choose the selected remedies for a quick prescription. And regarding the potency selection, as you are very well aware about the selection of potency, but as a general rule, the selection of potency depends on the stage of the disease, onset of the disease, degree of pathology, possibility of reversibility of the condition, age of the patient, then sex of the patient. All these conditions formulate the selection of potency. But according to my view, being an acute condition, the pathology may not be in an advanced condition. So that is why by using low or medium potency, you will get a better results. Say with 3x or 30 tissue remedies like Macphos or Ferramphos or Calimure with 3x or 6x potency. Then tinctures like Iris, then Chelidonium or Cardas, then with Leptantra gives better results. But we have to follow the case as far as possible. We have to screen the case, and automatically the prognosis will be very good. So wish you all the very best, and thank you for watching, and keep studying. Thank you.